Mastering inclusive language in emails and letters. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today, we're diving into a very crucial and increasingly relevant topic: using inclusive language in our email and letter writing. Inclusive language is language that is free from words, phrases, or tones that reflect prejudiced, stereotyped, or discriminatory views of particular people or groups. It's a respectful and sensitive way to communicate. Ready to learn more? Let's get started. Inclusive language is all about respect and equality. It ensures that we don't exclude or demean people based on factors like their gender, race, religion, age, or ability. Instead, it acknowledges diversity, conveys respect to all people, is sensitive to differences, and promotes equal opportunities. Inclusive language is not just about being politically correct. It's about showing respect and promoting a positive and welcoming environment. When you're communicating cross-culturally, like in emails or letters, your words can build bridges, or they can create barriers. Inclusive language helps to ensure that you're building bridges. Now, let's look at some examples of inclusive language. Use gender-neutral terms. Instead of chairman, use chairperson or chair. Instead of he or she, use they when the gender of the person is not known. Avoid stereotyping. Don't make assumptions about people based on their race, religion, nationality, or any other characteristic. For example, don't assume a person from a particular country would have a specific type of job. Respect all abilities. Use language that acknowledges people with disabilities as whole individuals, not defined by their disability. Instead of disabled person, say person with a disability. When writing emails and letters, it's crucial to apply these principles of inclusive language. Start by addressing recipients correctly. If you're unsure of a person's gender or title, it's better to use their full name. Also, be sensitive to cultural differences and avoid idiomatic expressions that may not translate well cross-culturally. And that wraps up our lesson on using inclusive language in emails and letters. Remember, the words we choose can make a big difference. They can exclude and hurt, or they can include and empower. Let's choose to build bridges and create a more inclusive and respectful world through our communication. We hope this lesson has been helpful. Until next time, happy writing!